Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a personal loan on Revolut. It's very easy. Let me show you step by step how to do it. Just open up your Revolut application, navigate to the home page on the bottom, then select accounts in the middle of the screen. This is where you can see all of your currency accounts, your savings, your loans, and anything like that. And here you just have to tap on Add New. Then on this page, go to the bottom, which is where you can see the credit option, and select personal loan, which is the first option. I already created a video about this, so that's why it shows you this. But basically you have to add a few details about yourself, select the amount that you would like to request, and they are going to review your request and give you the answer the same day, and you can actually receive the money the same day. But obviously read the terms carefully, only apply for the loan if it is really what you need. If this video was helpful for you, consider sending a super thanks donation.